We have here a defective coffee machine from Chino, and I'm gonna put the water in. So I just turned it off, and there's supposed to be two lights that's gonna be blinking, but I'm not sure if it's really gonna blink because the water that I just put in is kind of lukewarm. So there's supposed to be two lights blinking here from this button and another one from this button. So I'm just gonna put in my coffee capsule and then close. And then I'm gonna put an espresso cup and try to make an espresso out of the small espresso button. As you can see, it's not really pouring, it's just dripping. And the other light is blinking for some reasons, which I don't really know. So there. Um, this is the coffee that dropped from the machine. So that's really pretty lame. I am gonna get another press just to make sure. So it's dripping kind of fast now compared to earlier. But it's still not enough. See? I'm gonna have to try with another button, but I have to throw this out. So I'm gonna try the bigger button, or the bigger cup of espresso. So there. So it's still dripping and the other light is still out. And then the bigger light starts blinking. So that's just the coffee that just got out of the machine. This used to be like, can serve like a full cup of this. This button can serve like a full cup of this, but right now it's just at the bottom.